How to set up your YouTube channel. As an LLC, a definitive guide. If you're a passionate content creator, turning your YouTube channel into an official business may sound like a leap. But in today's digital age, where the lines between hobbyists and professionals blur rapidly, setting up an LLC for your YouTube channel can be a game changer. Let's dive deep into why this is essential and the step-by-step guide to making it happen. Why every YouTuber should consider forming an LLC. 1. Protection against liability. Forming an LLC, limited liability company, creates a legal buffer, protecting you from personal liability should any legal disputes arise connected to your YouTube activities. 2. Tax benefits. Many YouTubers enjoy tax advantages and flexibility when their channel operates under an LLC, from potential savings to simplified accounting processes. 3. Professional image. Being an official LLC elevates your brand's professional status, making collaborations, sponsorships, and partnerships more accessible and appealing. Setting up an LLC for your YouTube channel. Step-by-step 1. Choose a business name. Your LLC's name should ideally resonate with your channel, but must comply with your state's naming requirements. Research to ensure your chosen name isn't already taken. 2. Appoint a registered agent. This person or business entity will handle official paperwork and legal documents for your LLC. They must have a physical address in the state of formation. 3. File articles of organization. Submit the articles of organization with your state's Secretary of State office. This document outlines the basic details of your LLC. There's usually a filing fee, which varies by state. 4. Create an operating agreement. Although not always mandatory, it's wise to draft an operating agreement. It details your LLC's internal operations and member roles. 5. Obtain an EIN, an employer identification number, EIN, akin to a social security number for businesses, is necessary for tax purposes. You can obtain it free from the IRS online. 6. Separate personal and business finances. Open a business bank account to keep your personal and business finances separate. This protects your personal assets and makes tax time easier. 7. Comply with additional regulatory requirements. Depending on your state, you might need business licenses or permits. Also, some states require an annual report from LLCs. 8. Update your YouTube account details. Go to your YouTube account settings and update your business details, ensuring any revenue generated gets directed to your LLC's bank account. The bottom line: taking the time to set up your YouTube channel as an LLC may feel like a daunting task, but the peace of mind, potential tax savings, and professional credibility it offers are well worth the effort. By securing your brand with the stability of an LLC, you not only protect your current achievements, but also pave the way for future growth. So gear up, YouTubers. Make your passion your profession and elevate your YouTube journey to unparalleled heights. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment.